Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, we are doing another What's for Dinner video. I know you guys love these. I love to make these as well. They're so much fun, and I love getting meal ideas from you guys too. So if you have any, leave them down below in the comments. But as for now, let's hop in.
There will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Here comes the downtimes when you go blind.
So I would first like to thank Home Chef for sponsoring today's What's for Dinners. As you guys know, if you've been here for a while, we love Home Chef. That's so convenient and easy because if you didn't know, I am a working mom and Toby also travels for work. So I need something that's quick, something that's easy, convenient, and is fresh and good. So what I love about Home Chef is that it's all delivered right to my door. It has every ingredient that you need for the recipe. It has these awesome cards that go into a binder that they also provide for you, and you just save them. So if you want to make the recipe again, you have it all the time. You don't have to order it from them, which I love. So you'll always have those cards, like I said, so you can make them. Today we are making chicken fajitas. They are so delicious. I also want to mention to you guys that they are offering $80 off. So you get $20 off your first 4 boxes, which equals a total of $80 off. I will leave a link in the description box below and also a code for you to use to be able to get that offer.
Make us so much better, and there will be no more lonely nights.
Another thing that I love about Home Chef is that everything is fresh and they make the recipes so easy to follow. I am not like a complex cooker at all whatsoever when it comes to the kitchen. I like simple, quick, and easy, as you guys know. So that is another thing I love about Home Chef. This was a trick that I learned from Home Chef actually. All you do is wet some paper towels and place your tortillas there, and then you are going to microwave them to warm them up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was so good. They even include the cheese, the sour cream, y'all, and they include everything in their recipes. So make sure you check them out down below. This next meal is also by Home Chef. We get 2 meals. When we get our box, we get 2 meals. And another thing that I love is there is always plenty of food. So I get it for a family, but if Toby is out of town, I can actually just use one of the bags that everything comes in, and I can actually have 2 nights worth of dinners. So I absolutely love that. We always have tons of leftovers. Even when Toby is home, we have leftovers. So I love that too. They do not skimp on the food at all whatsoever. And actually what I loved about this fettuccine meal was, 1, it was delicious, but 2, the pasta, you guys, are you ready for this? The pasta is already cooked and measured out for you. So as you see there, the pasta is already cooked, measured out, and all I had to do was basically warm it up and add it to the food. So this meal was so delicious. It was so good, and the zucchini in it was fresh. And another thing that I had mentioned before is that I love how their food is always fresh too. It's never like frozen or anything like that. It's fresh. So this is what this meal looked like. It was delicious. I absolutely loved this, and I will totally be getting this one again. So on the next night, Toby was actually home during the day. So when he's home, he likes to smoke some meat. So this day he decided to smoke some ribs. And this is the rub that we used for the first time, but it was really good. So we highly recommend it. We just picked it up from Walmart. And here I'm going to make potato salad. And I wanted to show you guys this because my mom taught me how to make this potato salad. I love her potato salad, so I make it just like she does. And I add a bunch of different things. It's not just potatoes and mayonnaise and mustard. So what I use is green peppers, some black olives, some boiled eggs, some pickles, some cheese, and some mayonnaise and mustard. I will have the recipe down below for you guys, but this is so good. I just feel like it's really just spices up and jazzes up your potato salad. I also add in some onion powder and garlic powder as well, and then just a little salt and pepper as well. So that is how I make my potato salad. It is so good, and I use about 4 or 5 potatoes.
So I wanna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do, and then I let it shine on you, yeah.
So the next night was actually Mother's Day, so Toby just grilled up some steaks, and we had baked potatoes with it, and we sat outside because it was a gorgeous night. It was just a perfect end to a perfect Mother's Day, so I hope you guys enjoyed your Mother's Days as well. That is it for today's video. Like I said, don't forget to check out Home Chef. Use the code. A link will be in the description box down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Shine on you, you. I am a woman.